outside, guys, and there's this fire burning with who knows what in it, unattended. Start with the quality, guys, but I cannot wait to show this to the police if they come over. If this fire keeps getting like it is, I can't wait to show the police this fire. Oh crap! Can't wait to show the police this lovely fire this idiot is burning in the middle of a blizzard.
D.
Yes, 4D.
You gonna put this on Facebook, Mom, or not? Huh? I love being fun employed like Jeremy Hales. I can put bullshit I want to put on YouTube, but still. What idiot burns stuff in the middle of a blizzard? He's burning clothes or something. He was. He's not watching it. If he yells at me, I'm going to give him a birdie.
Red-nosed reindeer.
Rudolph. Rudolph. Right?
And it.
Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. Yep, it's Rudolph. There goes embers. Ooh, there goes two embers into the snow.
Yes.
There goes two embers, Mom. I see embers flying up the fire. There goes 3 embers right there. Hot embers. Oh crap, he's walking over here. I see him walking over here.
Yeah, 1L.
Okay,